How to turn on or switch off prefer crossfade transitions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we go down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Motion. After that, tap on Prefer Crossfade Transitions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, when you turn this on, the phone can reduce the motion for user interface controls that slide in when appearing or and disappearing. So, if crossfading transitions can give you a problem, you can simply switch it off. So, turn it off. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.